The Deck Pro is a versatile and easy-to-use tool for hidden decking installation. It comes in an all-in-one package with tool, spacers, and accessory bits, and can be used with outdoor stainless steel screws depending on your project. The Deck Pro is easy to adjust for all common deck board widths and can serve as your third hand when installing decking boards. The cylindrical head screws provide stable, non-wobbling installation, and the screws are equipped with 2 threads with different pitches, providing a strong clamping effect. The Deck Pro works with board sizes from 85mm to 150mm and comes with a driver bit and spacers included. The Campson KSC hog ring gun is a durable and high-performing tool made with high-quality materials. Its tungsten steel muzzle and aluminum alloy housing ensure strength, wear resistance, and a lightweight design. The auto-feed system and versatile nose and extended magazine make it suitable for a wide range of applications, while the well-engineered structure guarantees smooth fastening and minimal recoil. Ideal for wire cages, car seats, fencing, and more, this hog ring gun is a reliable and versatile choice for any project. The Ibenstock ERC 350 is a versatile and efficient tool for cutting and chamfering plastic pipes up to 350mm in diameter. This saves time and ensures safe and accurate cutting and chamfering in a single operation. The tool is also suitable for disconnecting ventilation pipes. The extendable roller carriage and trestle provides stable support during operation, while the bevel width is continuously adjustable for greater flexibility. The tool also features a vacuum cleaner connection for efficient suction of plastic particles. Compact and handy, the Ibenstock ERC 350 comes in a transport box and is ideal for mobile use on construction sites. With its high performance and durability, it is a reliable and valuable tool for professionals in the plumbing and construction industries. The Ryobi 18 volts 1+ HP brushless Jobsite hand vacuum kit is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution with 1+ HP technology for more power, run time, and durability. Its 3-in-1 capability for handheld, stick vac, and stationary cleaning is enhanced with accessories like an extension wand, floor nozzle, and crevice tool. It captures drywall dust, wood shavings, and other job site debris, and the HEPA filtration traps up to 99.9% of dust and allergens. The kit includes a lithium high-performance battery, charger, hose, filter, and operator's manuals, backed by the Ryobi 3-year manufacturer's warranty. The Festool Mix1200 mixer is a powerful and versatile solution for mixing and stirring materials. Its 2-gear system allows users to switch between high-torque or high-speed modes depending on the material being mixed, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The Ergofix system ensures user comfort and reduced fatigue. The Mix1200 is also designed with user safety in mind, with overload and overheating protection. The spindle lock and cable clip provide easy operation and tidy storage. Overall, the Mix1200 is a great choice for anyone who needs a powerful and reliable mixer. The Marshalltown Avalanche 500 and 750 are efficient snow removal tools designed for most roofs. Their quick snap-together assembly includes lightweight fiberglass handle sections forming a 15-pole, allowing you to work from the ground. With the help of wheels, the 17x12 plastic slide easily slips under snow, clearing your roof faster than a rake. The 500 model is for most asphalt shingled roofs, while the 750 model features a cut and tear-resistant vinyl-coated polyester slide and 3 wheels designed for heavy-duty roofs. Made in the USA with global materials, the Avalanche is the best roof snow removal tool on the market. The SKIL 3.0 amp 8-inch Benchtop Grinder is a reliable and high-performing tool for sharpening and grinding tasks. Its powerful motor and adjustable tool rests accommodate different sharpening angles and positions, while the storage tray keeps accessories organized. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to move and store. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the SKIL Benchtop Grinder is a great choice for all your grinding needs. Marshalltown drywall lifts make loading and installing drywall easier and safer. They can hold up to 150 pounds of 4x16 drywall sheets and come in an 11 size in the professional or residential commercial series or a 14 size in the professional series. The 11 size is cable-driven with a manual winch, and the 14 size is chain-driven with a manual winch and input torque limiter. Both products are made in the USA with global materials. The residential commercial option is an economical alternative available in both sizes and series. Choose the best lift for your needs and work safely and efficiently. The Geismar Track and Turnout Rail Profile Grinder is a precise and efficient machine designed for grinding railheads and welds. Its compact design and powerful Honda engine ensure high performance, reduced fuel consumption, and increased durability. The metal Hornum 6 Neo offers a wide range of grinding possibilities, even in tight spaces. Its triple-element cyclonic filter technology provides sustained power, optimized engine protection, and reduced maintenance frequency. The optional LED lighting allows for maximum visibility during all grinding conditions. This grinder is a reliable and high-performing machine, ideal for rail maintenance projects. The FROMM P331 plastic strapping tool is a powerful and efficient tool designed for heavy-duty strapping applications. With its battery-powered operation and high-tension force of up to 7,000 N, it can handle strap sizes up to 32 millimeters, making it a cost-effective alternative to heavy steel strapping. Its well-balanced design and brushless motor reduce maintenance and allow for easy handling. It can also perform strap repair without tension and offers up to 370 strap cycles per battery charge. Quick battery exchange ensures minimal downtime and increased productivity, making it a versatile and efficient addition to any strapping operation. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.